Discomfort caused by the air you breathe. Permanently improve air quality and save energy with Turbionaire Trend HRV. This model, Trend HRV 150 WMI, is equipped with insulated ceramic heat exchanger, acoustic insulation, timer and humidity sensor that can achieve up to 90% heat or cool recovery efficiency. Turbionaire Trend HRV is a decentralized heat recovery ventilation unit with reversible airflow that continuously provides fresh air in residential spaces without compromising indoor temperature and with minimal energy consumption. It also prevents the development of unpleasant odors, bacteria, and viruses. Turbionaire Trend HRV unit is equipped with an 8-speed fan to enhance comfort in newly constructed or existing residential and commercial spaces such as kitchens, living rooms, bedrooms, offices, and hotel rooms. Wall installation is simple, and maintenance operations are minimal, requiring no additional costs. The available functions can be easily controlled using the remote control, which can simultaneously operate multiple installed units. Turbionaire Trend HRV Decentralized Heat Recovery Ventilation Unit is an affordable and flexible investment with immediate financial and, more importantly, health and comfort benefits.